Calculate the support reactions for the cantilever beam shown in figure. This is cantilever beam having loading of 30 kN, rectangular loading, triangular loading, and inclined loading. This is point load and this is inclined load. Now simplifying this inclined loading, it will have horizontal component of 80 cos 30, vertical component of 80 sin 30. This triangular load will have to be converted to single point load by area of the triangle 2 into half 2 into 2 acting at 2/3 from apex 2 into 2 2 kilonewtons acting at 2/3 of the 2 meters, and this rectangular loading has to be converted to single point load 4 into 3 12 acting at half the distance of 3 12 kilonewton acting at 1.5 meters, and this moment is anti-clockwise. Now resolving forces horizontally and equating to 0, HA is directed to positive x-axis, 80 cos 30 directed to negative x-axis, so plus HA minus 80 cos 30 equal to 0, HA equal to this value we get. Resolving forces vertically and equating to 0, that is summation Fy equal to 0, VA upward force and 80 sin 30 downward force minus and 2 kilonewton force minus 2 and 12 minus 12 and 30 minus 30 equal to 0, VA value we get. Now taking moment of all forces about point A, this HA, VA and this force, they all pass through point A, they will have 0 moment about point A. First, let us see how. HA will have line of action of force like this. It will pass through line of action of force and it will have 0 perpendicular distance about point A. So HA into 0 equal to 0. And this VA will have line of action of force like this. It will pass through line of action of force like this and it will pass through point A and it will have 0 moment about point A. And this moment will have anti-clock. This couple will have this moment will have anti-clockwise moment, so minus MA. And this 80 cos 30 will pass through line of action of force through point A and it will have 0 moment about point A. This 80 sin 30, it will pass through line of action of force like this. It will have perpendicular distance about point A of 3 meters and it will rotate about point A like this anti-clockwise, and it will have moment of 80 into 3. This 2 kilonewton force will pass through line of action of force like this and it will rotate about point A like this. It will have perpendicular distance about point A of 7 meters and it will rotate anti-clockwise about point A and it will have moment of 2 into 7. This 12 kilonewton force will pass through line of action of force like this and it will have perpendicular distance about point A 3, 2, 2, 1.5 8.5 meters from point A, and it will rotate about point A clockwise, and it will have magnitude of moment of 12 into 8.5. This 30 kilonewton force will pass through line of action of force like this, and it will have perpendicular distance about point A of 12 meters, and it will rotate about point A like this, and it will have magnitude of moment of 30 into 12. We have taken horizontal resolutions, vertical resolutions, and we have taken moment of all forces, and we got MA value minus. So the direction has to be changed for the couple moment.